Hello everyone. Back a guy in the secret paradise. This time we will talk about horn loudspeakers are often used to broadcast sound in outdoor locations. A horn loudspeaker is a loudspeaker, or a loudspeaker element which uses an acoustic horn to increase the overall efficiency of the driving elements. A common form right consists of a compression driver which produces sound waves, with a small metal diaphragm vibrated by an electromagnet, attached to a horn, a flaring duct to conduct the sound waves to the open air. Another type is a woofer driver mounted in a loudspeaker enclosure which is divided by internal partitions to form a zigzag flaring duct which functions as a horn. This type is called a folded horn speaker. The horn serves to improve the coupling efficiency between the speaker driver and the air. The horn can be thought of as an acoustic transformer that provides impedance matching between the relatively dense diaphragm material and the less dense air. The result is greater acoustic output power from a given driver. A public address system or PA system is an electronic system comprising microphones, amplifiers, loudspeakers, and related equipment. It increases the apparent volume loudness of a human voice, musical instrument, or other acoustic sound source or recorded sound or music. PA systems are used in any public venue that requires that an announcer, performer, etc. be sufficiently audible at a distance or over a large area. Typical applications include sports stadiums, public transportation vehicles and facilities, and live or recorded music venues and events. A PA system may include multiple microphones or other sound sources, a mixing console to combine and modify multiple sources, and multiple amplifiers and loudspeakers for louder volume or wider distribution. Simple PA systems are often used in small venues such as school auditoriums, churches, and small bars. PA systems with many speakers are widely used to make announcements in public, institutional and commercial buildings and locations such as schools, stadiums, and passenger vessels and aircraft. Intercom systems, installed in many buildings, have both speakers throughout a building, and microphones in many rooms so occupants can respond to announcements. PA and intercom systems are commonly used as part of an emergency communication system. The main advantage of horn loudspeakers is they are more efficient. They can typically produce approximately 3 times 10 dB more sound power than a cone speaker from a given amplifier output. Therefore, horns are widely used in public address systems, megaphones, and sound systems for large venues like theaters, auditoriums, and sports stadiums. Their disadvantage is that their frequency response is more uneven because of resonance peaks, and horns have a cutoff frequency below which their response drops off. The cutoff frequency corresponds to the wavelength equal to the circumference of the horn mouth. To achieve adequate response at base frequencies, horn speakers must be very large and cumbersome, so they are more often used for mid-range and high frequencies. That's all about the video this time. Thanks for watching the Secret Paradise channel.
I'm talking about the